Did you know that way back in 1495, the brilliant Leonardo da Vinci sketched a mechanical robot in knight's armor? It was a marvel of its time, with intricate ropes and gears that allowed it to move and even swing a sword. While it remains uncertain whether Leonardo ever brought this creation to life, in 2002, a robotics engineer took inspiration from this design and brought the mechanical knight into existence. But here's the thing, the first real robot wasn't a person in a flimsy cardboard suit. It was a remarkable machine powered by electricity, resembling a large box with an extending arm, like a miniature crane. Inventor George DeVol from Kentucky patented this creation in 1950 and named it Unimate. Unimate made its debut on a TV show, wowing the audience as it effortlessly hit a golf ball into a cup, poured a drink into a mug, and even impersonated a music band. People were captivated by its abilities, but surprisingly, George DeVol struggled to sell his invention for an entire decade. While it was undeniably cool, people didn't see much use for it. However, everything changed when businessman and engineer Joseph Engelberger stepped in. He recognized the potential and purchased the patent for Unimate. With his keen business acumen, Engelberger kickstarted large-scale sales of the robot and founded the company Unimation, specializing in robot production. Joseph Engelberger is now hailed as the father of robotics, as his partnership with George DeVol helped shape the future we now live in. Fast forward to today, and we have robots that excel in various fields, from packaging and delivery robots to those assisting doctors in complex surgeries and diagnostics. They've become an integral part of our lives. Sure, some humanoid robots may give you the creeps as they strive to imitate human behavior, but let's not forget that even self-driving cars are essentially robots. But robots aren't just physical machines. They reside in the virtual realm too. Countless software programs power websites and mobile apps, performing tasks behind the scenes. They process commands, maintain search engines, and even chat with you when you're bored or in need of assistance. It's a world filled with millions of virtual robots quietly shaping our virtual experiences. So join me on this incredible journey as we explore the vast realm of robots, from their humble origins to their extraordinary capabilities. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of robotics, where innovation meets human ingenuity. Buckle up because the future is here and robots are leading the way. Let's talk about nanotechnology. Imagine tiny robots so small that they can't even be seen without the help of a microscope. These little machines are making their way into the field of medicine. In the future, instead of taking pills, you might be sipping on capsules filled with millions of these robots that can actually cure your diseases. It's like a sci-fi movie coming to life. But it doesn't stop there. Robots are already playing important roles in various areas of our lives. They assist in rescue operations, conduct scientific research in labs, and even explore the depths of the sea. They've even gone down to the sunken Titanic, capturing thousands of photos of the legendary ship. It's truly amazing how technology keeps advancing every day thanks to artificial intelligence. However, it's also a bit scary to think about what the future holds. With each passing year, robots are becoming more powerful and complex. They're infiltrating every aspect of our lives. And some worry they might even replace humans in many areas, leading to high unemployment rates. But fret not. The development of robotics will also create numerous job opportunities. Think about it. New robot models will require people to service them, and improving robot software will demand serious programming skills. Many companies are already seeking engineers to create these new robot models. So there's definitely a place for you in this robot-filled future, basking in the glory of success. However, there is a potential danger that there will be more robot workers than human workers in the future. According to forecasts, around 20 million jobs could be lost by 2030, so it's high time to consider careers in the field of robotics. Now let's talk about the impressive and rapid development of robots in the medical field. Now please don't think that doctors are becoming lazy or incapable of doing their jobs properly. The presence of medical robots is actually a tremendous help to them. Just imagine a situation where the patient is too far away to be taken to a hospital, or when a doctor has to perform 100 surgeries in just 24 hours. It's humanly impossible to handle such demands alone. This is where robots step in to assist medical professionals, allowing patients to receive treatment remotely. These incredible technologies have the potential to save thousands of lives. Medical worker robots are essential for tasks like disinfection, where dangerous bacteria need to be eliminated from certain rooms. Doctors can simply send a robot armed with ultraviolet radiation, and it will sterilize the walls, floor, and ceiling, preventing the spread of diseases. The world of robots and nanotechnology is both fascinating and promising. It's a realm where humans and machines work hand in hand, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Exciting times lie ahead, but it's important to keep a careful eye on what the future holds and ensure the benefits that these advancements outweigh any potential risk. Picture this: the ocean depths, a place so pressurized that it's inhospitable for humans. But guess who doesn't care about that? Robots. They fearlessly descend into the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, capturing stunning images of massive squids and other wonders. Take Orpheus for instance, a robot capable of exploring depths of up to 36,000 feet. That's more than the distance of the foot to the top of Mount Everest. With robots like these, scientists will not only explore Earth's mysteries, but also venture into the uncharted territories of other planets. Think about it. All the information we have about the Moon and Mars was gathered by robots. These resilient machines can withstand extreme temperatures, braving the scorching heat or bone-chilling cold. One day they'll even stroll on Saturn, Venus, and Jupiter. If extraterrestrial life exists, it's highly likely that robots will be the ones to uncover it. As time goes on, robots will become increasingly human-like in both appearance and behavior. There's a fascinating field called soft robotics, where engineers are striving to replicate human movements in machines. They draw inspiration from how muscles, bones, tissues, and cartilage work in our bodies. It's a complex technology, but they're determined to equip robots with elastic biological muscles that can self-heal, grow stronger, and respond to their environments. When robotics reaches this level, it will be undoubtedly a monumental leap towards the future of humanity. Robots are bound to become our drivers, teachers, colleagues, and even friends. However, no matter how revolutionary their artificial intelligence achievements may be, they can never replace real human beings. The power of the human brain, the most complex supercomputer in the universe, remains unmatched. While some believe that machines will surpass humans intellectually, it's important to note that they will only excel in computational and practical tasks. Humans possess abstract thinking, intuition, emotions, aesthetic perception, and a myriad of other qualities that robots cannot replicate. Remember when people feared that machines would outperform humans after a computer defeated the reigning world chess champion in the 90s? Well, they were mistaken. Chess has an infinite number of move combinations, and while a computer can calculate hundreds of thousands of moves ahead to defeat you, there's something unique about a human player. It's not just about winning. Humans can make their moves impressive, showcasing creativity, beauty, and unexpected brilliance. A robot cannot simply comprehend aesthetic or appreciate the contemplation of beauty. Picture a world 50 years from now, where robots have become incredibly mobile and affordable. Everyone has their own fleet of personal robots, each with its own unique purpose. One robot washes your dishes with precision, while another assists you in building your own dream house. When you go camping, you bring along a mini robot equipped with advanced navigation capabilities. It becomes your trusted guide, leading you out of your forest if you get lost, and even helping you identify which berries and mushrooms are safe to eat. Imagine this: you're running late for work and don't have time to walk your dog. No worries, one of your robots simply takes the task for you. And what if you overslept for an important video conference? Fear not, a virtual robot with your avatar steps in, seemingly replacing you without anyone noticing the difference. Oh, and if your self-driving car breaks down, simply grab a robot mechanic from the trunk, and it will skillfully fix the engine. These robots can even respond to touch, providing a sense of realism. They can simulate laughter when tickled and show signs of fatigue after a hard day's work. They're constantly learning, with some even attempting to understand sarcasm, though they might not be great at it. Think about your phone today, able to recognize your face. In the future, robots will take it a step further and read your emotions. Feeling sad? The robot will offer inspiring words to lift your spirits. Fuming with anger? Brace yourself for a silly joke that might just diffuse your rage. Now, all these advancements undoubtedly have the potential to significantly enhance our lives. However, there's a looming concern. Who will we become if robots start doing all the work for us? It's a valid question. Relying too heavily on machines can make us weaker, both physically and mentally. And what if robots replaces your friend? It could lead to isolating ourselves and stop us to engaging with other people. As incredible as robots are, let's not forget that humans possess qualities that make us truly unique and remarkable. So, while robots offer countless benefits, it's crucial to recognize that we humans have something special to offer that they can never replicate. Our abilities, emotions, and connections with one another can make us truly exceptional. So let's embrace the advancements in robotics while celebrating the unparalleled strengths and wonders of being human. And there you have it. We've delved into the intriguing realm of machines versus humans, examining the reasons why machines fall short of surpassing our extraordinary abilities. While machines continue to evolve and amaze us, it is the unique essence of human creativity, emotion, and intuition that keeps us at the forefront of innovation. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on our future quests into the wonders of technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.